No matter which direction you come from, this open landscape invites us all to look around and think big. So go ahead, expand your horizons. Let your guard down. Be open.
I'm always open.
To anything and everything. Talk with everyone. Taste every dish. Make friends the world over. 2 terms? Try 3. Why settle for a single internship when you can try out several? Step up on any stage. Host your own show. Want to set your lab on fire? You've come to the right place. What other college would encourage you to flunk every year? Here it's tradition. Looking for experiences that will help you grow? Dig in. Potatoes on pizza? Why not? At Knox College, when you open up to the world, a world of possibilities opens up to you.